Nomi Lomi's digital library gives young readers an experience that's out of this world. Navigate through Nomi Lomi's vast library of storybooks and unlock worlds of discovery, learning, and fun. Discover a brand new way to read and enjoy stories with animated ebooks. Give your child a much more enjoyable and entertaining way to read with animations and sound that brings stories to life. Choose Read to Me to listen to the story. Practice reading your favorite stories in a new language, including English, French, Hebrew, Chinese, Russian, Spanish, Farsi, Hindi, and Arabic. Enjoy the same story with unique styles from different narrators to hear the book in a new way. Expand your favorite stories through different collections. Let your imagination wander with lively audiobooks. And scroll through Just For Me stories that help your child build compassion with amazing stories written from the heart. Reading comprehension becomes fun with challenging quizzes. Win tokens to use in fun puzzle games. Complete games by yourself or with friends. Nomi Lomi motivates your child to read more. Track progress with ranking scores for reading achievements. Move up the ranks and win medals along the way. Choose your favorite story character for your avatar. And colorful themes can match your mood or style. And whether you are online or offline, your child can access their Nomi Lomi library anytime, anywhere. With so many features and options, it's easy to see why Nomi Lomi is the choice of parents and educators worldwide. Become a member today. Nomi Lomi. Get to know me. You will love me.